touch with a certain guy whose name is Patrick. So that's my business. Apart from being a musician, so I normally just football agent. I normally.
That one is the COW. You have the God for us. We have the COW.
I do music as my talent.
You do profession or just a business? Doing music.
Okay, I can say that till now I have not earned much just from music because I normally
just love it.
I normally live in business of football. But when I released this song, I did like some concerts in Kenya, in Tanzania, and in Uganda here. I came with Elements at Bukedde Cricket. It was the but I think very soon also I will with another bomb. But I was busy. First of all, in sports because now I'm building my own sports academy in Bukedde.
Okay. So before you come on, I had to talk about something something.
No, but I was only
It is recording.
Record the video.
Yes.
Now, then
If you do this, it will pause. Stop counting.
stop this one.
It is recording now.
Then you finish.
You stop here.
Stop here. Okay.
How do you come that thing of because of the ghetto? Those intros, because we are on TikTok.
You know me. First of all, I was born in a family where my parents didn't want me to become public figure. You know, I was born in a cattle keeper family. So my daddy, my mommy wanted me to go to school, maybe to become a certain man in office, become a doctor, or to become someone. But
your calling was calling you.
So my calling was calling me.
Exactly.
the superstar thing was in you.
So I studied, as I told you before, in TZ. After finishing my studies at University of Dar es Salaam, my first degree, I started just singing music because I started by rapping. We had a group which was called the UVC, the first corner. So by that time, my sisters or my siblings,